Today we're gonna talk about the BenQ ScreenBar and why this monitor light is so amazing. Hey guys, welcome to my new one. I don't know about you, but I work a lot behind my desk, answering emails, editing my content and all the other stuff that needs to be done. And because winter is coming and the sun goes down early, I've been looking for a stylish light for my desk. And after a while I found the BenQ ScreenBar Halo and ordered it, so let's unbox it. In case you like packaging, this one is a solid 8 of 10, nice matte finish. Inside the box we have the wireless controller, the screen bar, paperwork box and battery switch and adapter for curved monitors. Holding this light in your hand for the first time, you can really feel the weight of a premium finish and design. Every part is made of aluminium or high quality plastic, which makes the product feel very solid. Now let's talk about all the features. The screen bar is installed in a minute. You just need to put it on your monitor and plug the USB-A into a power adapter. Now you can turn on the light and select between 3 light modes: front light, backlight and both at the same time. After selecting the mode, you can adjust the brightness and the light temperature. But you can also select the auto mode. The screen bar will automatically measure the light with a built-in sensor and select the best settings for your environment. The next cool thing about this light, you can turn the light bar to remove glare from your monitor and light up your desk without getting blinded. Now you can do your work, write some notes for example, or read a book without hurting your eyes. I personally love this light because I noticed that my eyes getting tired and hurt very quickly if I'm working in a pitch black room. The only thing I don't like about this light is the covered webcam of my Apple Studio display, but I think there's no way around with this kind of mounting and this display. To summarize quickly, this light is just amazing. Great build quality, great design, great materials, and it's also good for my eyes. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next one.